Allen's keynotes, Cactus grandiflorus, night blooming cereus, family Cactaceae. Sanguineous congestions in persons of plethoric habit, often resulting in hemorrhage, sanguineous apoplexy. Fear of death, believes the death incurable. Hemorrhage from nose, lungs, stomach, rectum, bladder. Headache, pressing like a heavy weight on vertex, climacteric. Headache and neuralgia. Congestive, periodic, right-sided, severe throbbing, pulsating pain. Whole body feels as if caged, with each wire being twisted together and tighter. Constriction of throat, chest, heart, bladder, rectum, uterus, vagina, often caused or brought on by the slightest contact. Oppression of chest as from a great weight, as if an iron band prevented normal motion. Sensation of a cord tightly tied around lower part of chest, marking attachment of diaphragm. Heart feels as if clasped and unclasped rapidly by an iron hand, as if bound, had no room to beat. Pains everywhere, darting, springing like chain lightning, and ending with a sharp, vise-like grip, only to be again renewed. Menstrual flow ceases when lying down. Palpitation day and night, worse when walking and lying on left side at approach of menses. Fever paroxysm returns at 11 am and 11 pm. Relations, compare aconite digitalis, gelsemium, calmia, lachesis. Boric materia medica, Cactus grandiflorus, Selenicerius spinulosus, night blooming cereus. Acts on circular muscular fibers, hence constrictions. It is the heart and arteries specially that at once respond to the influence of cactus, producing very characteristic constrictions as of an iron band. This sensation is found in various places, esophagus, bladder, etc. The mental symptoms produced correspond to those found when there are heart affections, sadness and melancholy, hemorrhage, constrictions, periodicity and spasmodic pains. Whole body feels as if caged, each wire being twisted tighter. Atheromatous arteries and weak heart. Congestions, irregular distribution of blood, favors formation of clots speedily. Great periodicity. Toxic goitre with cardiac symptoms. Cactus is pulseless, panting and prostrated. Mind, melancholy, taciturn, sad, ill-humored, fear of death, screams with pain, anxiety. Head, headache if obliged to pass dinner hour. Sensation as of a weight on vertex, right-sided pulsating pain, congestive headaches, pericardial, threatening, apoplexy, blood vessels to the head distended, feels as if head were compressed in a vise, pulsation in ears, dim sight, right-sided prostalgia, constriction pains, returns at same hour daily. Nose, profuse bleeding from nose, fluent coryza. Throat, constriction of esophagus, dryness of tongue as if burnt, needs much liquid to get food down. Suffocative constriction at throat which full, throbbing carotids in angina pectoris. Stomach, constriction, pulsation or heaviness in stomach, vomiting of blood. Stool, hard black stools, diarrhea in morning, hemorrhoid swollen and painful, sensation of great weight in anus, hemorrhage from bowels in malarial fevers and with heart symptoms. Urine, constriction of neck of bladder causing retention of urine, hemorrhage from bladder, clots of blood in urethra, constant urination. Female, constriction in uterine region and ovaries, dysmenorrhea, pulsating pain in uterus and ovaries, vaginismus, menses early, dark, pitch-like, cease on lying down with heart symptoms. chest, oppressed breathing as from a weight on chest, constriction in chest as if bound, hindering respiration, inflammation of diaphragm. Heart constriction as from an iron band, angina pectoris, palpitation, pain shooting down left arm, hemoptysis with convulsive spasmodic cough, diaphragmitis with great difficulty of breathing. Heart endocarditis with mitral insufficiency together with violent and rapid action, acts based in the incipiency of cardiac incompetence, heart weakness of arteriosclerosis. Tobacco heart, violent palpitation, worse lying on left side at approach of menses, angina pectoris with suffocation, cold sweat and ever present iron band filling. Pain in apex, shooting down left arm, palpitation with vertigo, dyspnea, flatulence, constriction, very acute pains and stitches in heart, pulse feeble, irregular, quick, without strength. Endocardial murmurs, excessive impulse, increased precordial dullness, enlarged ventricle, low blood pressure. Extremities, edema of hands and feet, hands soft, feet enlarged, numbness of left arm, icy cold hands, restless legs. Sleep, sleepless on account of pulsation in different parts of body, frightful dreams. Fever, fever every day at same hour, coldness in back and icy cold hands, intermittent paroxysms about midday, incomplete in their stages accompanied by hemorrhages. Coldness predominates, cold sweat with great anguish, persistent subnormal temperature. Modalities, worse about noon, lying on left side, walking, going upstairs 11 am and 11 pm, better open air. Relationship, antidotes, aconite, camphor, China, compare digitalis, spigelia, convalescere, calmia, naja. Dose, tincture, best made from flowers, 2/3 attenuation, higher in nervous palpitation.